I ordered $100 worth of Shein fidget toys and slime, so let's get reviewing them today. Also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so in this bin right here, I have about $100 worth of Shein slimes and fidget toys, and they were so affordable. But before I get into that, I want to say I bought a bunch of these super light clays, and these are perfect for butter slimes. And these were $3 each, and it comes with so many different colors of clay, and these make the best butter slimes. So I got so many of them here. These slimes are the best, so go pick them up on Shein. I also picked up these adorable mini heart bowls. They are so cute, and these are perfect for slime recipes. And I also got this adorable spoon. This is like a strawberry spoon. And this was only about $2, so a perfect find. But let's start out the video with the fidget toys. So I picked up so many fidget toys, and a majority of what I bought is really fidget toys. So let's just get right into it. What I have is this squishy right here. It's supposed to be super slow rising. I don't know, I saw these all over TikTok and I really wanted to pick one up, and oh my gosh, it's like one of those sticky squishies. Look at that. Next thing I got is this like square like type of like Neato. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Yeah, but this squishy is so neat. And then we're gonna get into a few other ones. So I have these heart ones, which are supposed to be color changing. And I didn't realize I ordered the same one, but that's okay. And these are so squishy. They remind me so much of the Neato Nice Cube. So if you want an affordable one that's a little bit cheaper, you can get them on Shein in a heart form. So cute. I ordered a bunch of these like square things. I'm not really sure what these are, but they seemed really neat. That's so cool. It kind of has like a slime-like thing in here. I've never felt a squishy like this before, and the color is so pretty. And I got a bunch of these mini ones, so let me get opening them up. Guys, these are so adorable. They remind me so much of like Jell-O that you get at like the buffet. I don't really know what they are, but they're just these silicone things. They're a little bit sticky, but super cute. I feel like this would be so cool to add into slime. Also got this cute little like, these are called like pea poppers, but this one's different. It's silicone, and oh my god, there's cute little hearts in there. And oh, is that supposed to be opened? I don't think it's supposed to be open. Do you guys see this? Or maybe it is. Oh, it's supposed to be open. Okay, I thought I was going crazy. Next up is a fidget I've been wanting so bad. This is so cool. So I love typing on my keyboard, and I saw this on here, and this is viral all throughout TikTok, so I had to pick this up, and this is really nice quality. And it's green and pink, and it's a keychain too, so I might put this in my bag. But super cool. And then for the last fidgets I have these really cool ones right here. And I already forgot the name of them, but if you guys know what it is, put it in the comments down below. So I got randomized colors. So I got this one. I think these are called like bendy somethings. I got this one. I love this color. It reminds me of like a gummy worm. So cool. And I got this one as well. And I don't know, I just thought these were really cool, and I have a bunch of them in my collection. So these were really neat to pick up, and they were about $2 for the whole pack. So that's really awesome. Guys, I forgot another fidget. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad I left this one out. I got a stress ball, and you're already seeing a sneak peek of a slime I already got. And this is just like this rainbow Orby stress ball. I feel so bad I forgot this in the box. But this is really cool. It's nice quality, and it was about $1. But let's move on to this really neat slime. So I picked up this slime because it's supposed to be like honey, and it was around, I believe, $6. And oh, did this still on the package? Aw, that makes me so sad. But let's see how it turns out. This is adorable. Oh my god, that is so cool. And I knew it would stick on there. It's just like honey. It's gonna stick on there. But let's get the slime out. Oh my gosh. Why is this slime low-key so good? It also has these adorable bee charms. These are so cute. It comes with 2 little bees. And then here is the slime. Oh my god, it kind of smells like vanilla a little bit. Not too strong, but that's okay. But this slime is a 10 out of 10 for me. The reason the slime was spilling out was, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the container's cracked a little bit. So like the slime is spilling out of it, which is okay. I'm just gonna put it into a new container, but I'm happy the slime didn't dry out. Let's move on to the next slime, which is in this packaging. Let me open it up and see how it is. Aww, this looks so cool. So it comes with all these cute little charms and these sprinkles. So I just got the slime out of the packaging and here it is. And I kind of just want to put the sprinkles over it, but let me see how this is first. Whoa, so this is kind of like a butter slime. And oh my gosh, this smells so good. All these slimes smell like vanilla. So they have this like peach color one, this blue one, and this green one right here, and this yellow one. But here is a slime. It's so cute, and you can of course add the little like female slices into here, which match up perfectly with the slime. This is adorable. If you want a more in-depth review, I will post this over on my TikTok. But this slime, I'm gonna give probably an 8 out of 10. I wish it was a little bit more stretchier. I'll show it again just so you guys can see. It's really not the stretchiest, and it rips pretty easily. Actually, I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10. So 7 out of 10 for the SHEIN'S slime. So these next slimes all have a theme. They're all about the same size, and they all also came with female slices and a charm. So let's first start out with this strawberry slime. The slime came with a sticker that I was supposed to put into the container, and let's see how it is. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I have to add these charms into here. Onto the slime. Wow. So it comes with this strawberry charm and these sprinkles in here. So let's get mixing it up. Wow, this slime is a 10 out of 10. I love butter slimes that are like this. They're so stretchy and buttery. And this is by Butter Slimes, which I guess you can find on Shein. Moving on to the next slime, I have this crunchy strawberry slime that I got. And again, same thing with the packaging. It came kind of opened, but that's okay because it was plastic wrap. Oh, why are these slimes amazing? I can't get over this. Look how crunchy this is. Oh, this is probably better than some of my crunchy slimes I've made. I'll even add these female slices in here, and oh my god, I got this charm. We got this strawberry charm. Out of 10 for this slime, and there is no fallout, which this happens a lot with crunchy slimes. I also forgot to say this slime has no scent, but this slime is adorable. So the last and final slime for this whole entire video is this butter slime, and it came with these really cute like sprinkles and stuff in here, so let's get it out. Oh, well, I guess we couldn't have all best slimes. So this slime isn't the stretchiest, so I already know these beads won't work with it well. But we'll test it out just so I can show you guys. So I'm going to put the, oh wow, making funny noises. I'm going to put the sprinkles in here, and I'll show you guys that this is not going to stick in at all. As you can see, I get ready falling out and stuff. I have some of them will stick in here, so we're just going to put the rest of these sprinkles in here. You got such a weird sprinkle. There's a bunch of different ones. There's like Easter eggs, there's fruit slices, and it came with this coffee cup. So I don't know, this is, wow, this slime smells so good. It smells like watermelon. And it does have a lot of fallout. Like, these beads are falling out of here. Like, the beads did not fall once out of that crunchy slime, but this one, it for sure is. So I'll give a slime, I'm gonna say a 2 out of 10. And that is a lot lower than I usually give slimes overall, but it's just not stretchy, and I feel like they could have made the slime a lot better with the sprinkles and stuff in here. It does smell amazing though. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today of me reviewing $100 worth of SHEIN'S slimes and fidget toys, and the total added up mostly because of the clay I got so many different kinds of clay, and really the slimes were a little bit on the pricier side, but my favorite slime has to be this honeycomb one right here, which is amazing. I can't get over it. I love like a jelly like slime, and probably this crunchy one right here. So crunchy. These slimes were amazing. My favorite fidget toys probably has to be this pink like cube. It reminds me so much of a Neato, or probably the cookie keyboard keychain. And I'll try my best to leave a few links down below of these slimes. Well, my favorite ones from the video I'll leave down below for you guys. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. Remember, thumbs up for new videos. Bye!